Okay, so hey guys, right now it's break time and we shall see. Yep, this is the account. It's a demo, just a demo. Oh my god, so many things on the chart, right? I know. Okay, so that's why, because this is connected to my account at home, that's why it's not that clean. So right now we're having a look at the daily chart. Okay, we pop the lows here, and yeah, I will see the trade back up into the previous day's high. So I will note the previous day's highs later. So the low comes at 5981.75. Okay, so 5981.75, that would be the level for the moment. Yeah. Okay, 5981.75. Okay, let's get all these things out of the way first. Pop my eraser. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, where's the previous day high? Okay, yeah, right here. Yeah, 5981.71. Okay, it's this low right here. So put it this color. PDL, that means previous day low. Okay guys, so let's go down to a 15-minute or 1 hour chart. Yeah, previous day's low is the draw. Let's clear all this, get all this out of the way, okay, and here we got the Monday, so 13, so it's 13, 9, 4 days already. And yeah, this is a very big CV, so I'm definitely going to measure that. And yeah, I'm bullish, right? Okay, so guys, I'm bullish right now, and we'll see if we can reach the CE of it. Okay, yeah, we'll pop it out like that, and I'll change the color. Okay, let's see what color should we use. Make it ×2 color. Okay, let's just make it yellow. Okay, so this is the upper quadrant of the 1 hour CV, and that will be the first draw. Okay, so this is a 20, and yeah, I'm gonna draw the end dog yesterday. Let's go. This, and then put okay, so this here to here, this is the end dog, so draw it out, close until open, white, and yeah, today's date is 13, so 13/6 and dog. Here the same, so here I'll make it the same one. (13/6) and dog. Okay, so now let's go back. Yeah, so where are we at right now? Yeah, pretty low from the end dog today, huh? End dog is here, but yeah, I'm bullish. Yeah, so let's see the 3-minute chart. Let's see the 15-minute chart again. So it's been going up. Yeah, up. So here is where we are seeing in the 1 hour BC, there's nothing here, but we have something up here, and the previous day low is the first draw. So yeah, we still got a lot of space, a lot of room to move. Order flow is bullish. Look at this BC here, holding the bodies here as well, holding the bodies here also. Nice. So order flow is bullish, and let's go down 3-minute. Okay, we got the displacement here. see if we form a fair value gap, and we can enter in the fair value gap. And so I'm seeing this as a market structure shift, so it's called the GRMS. Okay. Yeah, so guys, this would have been a nice entry, right? 348. So at 348, 351 here, 350 macro, 348, 5971.5. So stop loss must be here, 5965. So 5 handles. Okay, we pop up a bit at the PDL, previous day low. Yeah, am I reaching up here? Here's the next draw. Okay, the CE of the 1 hour BC. Yeah, so now breakaway 5971. Okay, this we have a BC here, but this BC, right, it seemed to me as a balanced price. Why? Here then later come here, then later displace away. So this is a fair value gap here, but not the under one. So we can use that one as long entry. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna put my long at right here. Okay, 5972.25. Okay, and where is it? They say show me the limit. Oh, sorry, here. Put it up here. Okay, stop loss where? Stop loss just below. Let's just make it here. And yeah, TP. So let's make it. Because the draw is this 1 hour BC. So yeah, let's go to the 5-minute chart and have a look. Yep, feels like price is running away, right? But you're just gonna be patient. Okay, just gonna be patient, and because wow, it's not really far away. But let's look at what the midnight did. Okay, the London session midnight. Okay, so this is where the midnight price started. Okay, so this is where it started. Okay, guys. So midnight 12 until 12:30. So where's the first fair value gap after 12? Let's go to 1-minute chart and find it. Okay. Okay, so here is 12 midnight. Okay guys, again we have a beautiful first fair value gap in the 12 midnight. So I'm definitely gonna see this and see how we utilize this. Okay, see, this is a very beautiful fair value gap right here. So we're gonna extend it out. Styles extend to right. I change to yellow. And text output. Today's is 13 June. London first fair value gap. So this will be influential. So let's see how. Look, resistance. Look at that. Resistance. Then we left it. Resistance. Then fair value gap. Go open up to the. Okay, we came down back into the end dog right now. So basically, yeah, we're in the trade right now. The 3-minute fair value gap. Yeah, as you can see here, we got the 3-minute fair value gap. But I'm looking for bodies of the price to hold inside this end dog. I'm not expecting it to come all the way down, because here we got the end dog, and basically the target is on top here. So that's what the trade idea. And yeah, so that's just it. Okay, so yeah, why I didn't enter at the higher, because here got volume imbalance, and when there's volume imbalance and fair value gap, we take the whole thing. Okay, so if we go to the 3 minute, and if we pull out the, if we draw this 3 minute BC right here, okay, which is this whole thing, okay, which is this whole thing, okay, which is this whole thing. See where it drops, pops straight to the midpoint of it and rejects up, and this is a displacement. So what we are seeing here is very favorable price action to me. And I'll have a look at the Nasdaq as well. Yeah, so Nasdaq not as bullish. Dollar. Okay, dollar going up as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna, follow the trade idea and just gonna submit to it right now. Okay, so yeah guys, that's about it. Price can come down all the way. Okay lah, this whole thing is consecutive order blocks. Okay, so we shall see. Order block here to here, this is order block. Okay, so our stop loss is to be below it. Okay, so I'll take it. Okay, stop loss below mean of the order block. And yeah, basically what I'm expecting price is to reach for this CE of the BC. So let's just draw a midpoint, and I'll be contented with the midpoint of the TP target. Okay, that means from here down to my entry. Okay, where's the midpoint of it? I'm just gonna be contented with it. Okay, so I'm 5 handles, right? I'm fine with that. Okay, I'm fine with that. Quadrant levels up to the CE of it. Let's just try to push if we can get more. Okay, just training, guys. So pull the Fibonacci and measure the Fulcrum point. Measure the Fulcrum point here to here. Okay, and see what. Okay, so the 0.5 level is on top here. The negative 0.25 level is here. So if I take profit right under here, right? Then okay, I'll be contented with. I'll be contented with this, guys. I'll be contented with this one. Okay, let's see, does the negative 1.25 level coincide with the CE of it? Okay, so right above here, right above the CE of the 1 hour, we got the 1.25 level, so that will be the terminus, which I'll be very contented with price going there. So right now I'm seeing this as a order block also. So I like how the rejection here. So right now this swing high, right? This swing high to me right now is seen as ITL, intermittent swing low. That means I don't want to see it come down and clear this low, this swing low right now. But at the current climate that we are in, the market is just how to say, choppy. You can say it's considerably ugly. So yeah, gotta give more space to it. So yeah, this is the 0.25 level, and yeah, I'll be contented. Okay, let's try to push extra one handle, which is 4 ticks extra, so 24 ticks. So I'm gonna come back and see it later. Okay, damn guys, just now it wasn't recorded when I was talking for straight 10 minutes. What the fuck? Okay, so I'll say again. Okay, so basically the 6 handles were offered in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so offered in 7 minutes, 6 handle. And then yeah, I was talking about trailing. I was saying that if I would trail my stop loss, and I'll get stopped out already. Hypothetically, if I have 3 contracts, first will be out here, then second, as we form another high, I would have take another one. So this is called the rundown equity. Yeah, because yeah, the logic is because Nasdaq is failing to make that higher high when S&P make that higher high. So remember, they are like sisters, okay? They'll move together. So then after that happens, I will have 1 contract on, and basically my stop loss will be trailed right here. Yeah, making it just a risk-free trade. So risk-free trade, and then so just want to see whether it's going to give me that last push up, but it didn't, and I got stopped out on hypothetically stop loss, which will be placed just here, 5979.75. okay, so just risk free. So I got, and yeah, so basically there's another trade idea, which is right here, just another scalp, which is this CE wick. We came up here, and then I can go short at this CE wick. Okay guys, here, this CE wick, here, sorry, here, shit, you, here, and here and here. Okay, and you can see beautifully rejected there. So what can make me trust the idea? Because now you say, okay, it's all in hindsight. Okay guys, just now it was recorded, but this fucking phone recording just failed. But doesn't matter, okay? I'm doing it again right here, fuck. So we can see Nasdaq failed to make that higher high when S&P make the higher high, and Dow also failed to make that higher high. Okay, so when price traded up into this CE wick in S&P, look at Nasdaq. It went up also, but look at it. It failed right here. It didn't even touch the CE wick, because Nasdaq is basically keep on saying that, nah, I'm not gonna go up, you motherfucker. I'm not gonna go up. I'm gonna keep on going down. Look at that, making lower lows when S&P make higher highs, and making lower highs when S&P make higher highs. Look at here to here, and look at here to here, and then once again here. Okay, let's cut this. Once again here, you can see S&P make that higher high, and Nasdaq once again make that lower low, saying again, fuck you S&P, we are going lower, we're not going fucking higher. Okay, you listen to me. Okay, so it's going, so S&P make the higher high when Nasdaq failed to make the higher high. So that was basically telling me, after from the in front here, which you can see S&P make that higher high, but Nasdaq make that lower high. So here's basically saying, Nasdaq saying that, nah, I'm not gonna go up, baby, I'm gonna go down, I'm not gonna go up. Okay, then when here again, when S&P make the higher high, Nasdaq make the lower high again saying, I'm gonna be stubborn this time, we ain't going up, we going down. Okay, when Dow, the most stubborn of all, was doing the same thing, making that lower high as well. So basically you can say we're from downside. Okay, so what happened is, and where, okay, we're going to go down. Where is it? You can see this 20th of May end dog, and so the CE wick here trades up, boop, there I will go short 5985, and it trades back down to here 5980, boop, bam, 5 handles. Maybe I can take 4.75 or anything. So yeah, so that will be the trade. And what is this? Okay, this is the order block. Okay, this is 5-minute order block. Yeah, I think so. Was it 15 minute? 3 minute? Sorry, on 1 minute. Yeah, so these were consecutive order block. Just now I was saying, right, this was consecutive order block. So I measured the high of the bodies and the low of the bodies. Okay, high of the bodies here, high of the bodies here. So as you can see, came to mean of it beautifully, bodies holding inside the 20 May end dog lows. But yeah, this will be the just a nice easy bread and butter scalp, man. Look at this from here, from this CE wick down to the 20 May end dog. Beautiful CE wick, bam bam bam. So that's it. If I was in the trade, I would have take this one. So yeah, this one, as I say, offered 6 handles beautifully. And if we pull out the fib, measure the fulcrum points, it will be here to here. And let's see if I put everything, and then there we go. You can see at the negative 0.25 level above, I just placed like one tick above the 0.25 level, because here was where I'm aiming for. Okay, here was where I'm aiming for. But so yeah, and you can see at the 0.25 level, look at that swing high form, rejection right here, with the context of Nasdaq failing to make that higher high here. Once again, I'll show you. Okay, go see it in your chart yourself. You see the same thing. Nasdaq lower high, S&P higher high, and again at the side here, S&P higher high, Nasdaq lower high. So yeah guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm trading on the phone, but it's definitely not advisable to do this, okay? Because I have all the levels on the phone and I know what I'm doing. So yeah, that's it guys for today's trade review and big time trade review, okay? So basically, again, it's always there, whether you are there to catch the opportunity, there to catch the trade or not. Like today, definitely this is a very beautiful bread and butter setup. I would definitely take it. And now the mean of this consecutive order block. So definitely we will see this 0.5 what's that called? And for that purpose, I'll just go long inside this shit. It displays here. Let it come down. So this is order block, okay? So this is order block. Okay, come down. If you come down a little bit more, see, just a bit, right? Doesn't matter. So you're gonna go along here. Stop loss gonna place again 5 ticks, just right below this. What's that called? Right below the end dog. Right at the swing high. Right at after we rejected away from this consecutive order block. So, and then we will see. And this time definitely I know we're gonna go up. So entering long at the end dog, yeah, price can hold in the end dog, but my stop loss is very safe. So later I'll come and see this trade, okay? Later. And yeah, this time I'll just place the TP target. It's okay, I'll be contented with 29. I'll be contented with 30 ticks. No problem. You see nice rejection at this order block right here. Very beautiful. So yeah, definitely if the bullish order flow is still in play, definitely this mean order block won't be touched. In theory, it won't be touched. It won't be touched, and price will definitely come back up. So let's make it 24 ticks again. Yeah, and this time because I'm expecting if it comes up again, I would expect it to just smash through the CE wick, you know, and reach higher. But for the purpose of that, it may just go up and what is that called? and just rejects from there again. So I'm just gonna place my TP target there, 21 ticks, and that's all. Okay guys, we'll see you later. Okay guys, so look here, this relative equal low. One third entered from this CB down to this relative equal low, but wasn't fast enough. Yeah, here. Whoa. Here's bam, and there we go. So just now from this CB, I would have entered right here. Okay, I would have entered in this CB. 5980 stop loss can be here also, no problem, or here above the main order block. I would have entered here and ride it all the way down to here. It would have been a very beautiful trade because sell side was engineered here. Damn, that was really beautiful, but 来不及 was too late already. Like you can see from this CB here. Yeah, you can see just now the trade didn't paint out. Just now the trade didn't paint it out. It went down and engineered sell side. Here we got stopped out. Okay, minus. Yeah, minus here. If not, I would have entered short here, right? Wow, 5981. 81 to 69. Wow, it would be a very, very nice trade, baby. But that's it guys. Wow, trade lower, have a nice rejection here. So this CB at the previous day low, look at that, beautiful. Okay, shooting up now. Okay, so now it's shooting up, shoot out the way here, the 1 hour CB CE. Okay, shoot up to this CE wick and see this reject or it go higher. Okay, draw down to here. I'm gonna go buy it. Stop loss, pull right below the end dog, and then TP target just gonna place it here. Okay, just gonna place it here. This is an order block. Okay, and later we'll come back. Later I'll come back and see how the price trade. Okay, because right here the buy side is engineered. So when I come out here again, I'm gonna expect it to explode through and reach the CE of this CB, CE of this 1 hour CB just now. Okay, so we'll come back and see later. Right now I gotta go work already. Okay, so guys, just now as you can see the long trade that I took here, and wow, took pretty long to stop me out, huh? But 5980, let's see where's the highest it went. The highest it went was 5984, so it literally offered me like 4 handles. And okay, and yeah, that's it guys. Will I count this? No, I will not count this. Okay, but if you're seeing our trading account right now, I'm literally up $30 now, down. So yeah guys, that's part of trading. Okay, but because I didn't fully follow my model, but the beautiful one was literally with this one. Okay, in this CB here, literally ran down for that sell side. This was just too obvious of a trade. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So right now, let's see where are we. Okay, as you can see, later on we reached during the 650 macro, we reached the CE of the 1 hour CB, and now slowly plunging up to the upper quadrant, and now coming back down and blasting up again at the 930, mark, back to the Monday's first AM fair value gap, And yeah, basically let's go to the 5-minute chart and see how they did the price dirty. Okay, so what you can see here is it slowly went up, it slowly climbed back up to, it slowly climbed back up, and hit the, okay, now maybe I will climb back up and hit here. So let's see this, hit here, this fair value gap. Okay, then went through it a bit. Okay, went higher also. So let's see, so literally 6015.5, what's the high? 6014.5. okay, then literally from here, the first fair value gap, AM fair value Monday, we drop lower all the way to clear out the sell side right here. So this sell side that was formed at 9 o'clock, right now seems like we're dropping even deeper. So where are we going to draw to? The next sell side will be here, and here we got relative equal lows as well. And what I'll be seeing is the CE wick here. Okay, this CE wick right here. So yeah, we're going to measure that. Measure that, and yeah, basically 5972.75, that will be the draw. So draw back to, so right now it's time to go back.